Dear student, today we are in our third lecture for NEET and JEE of coordination compound. In last lecture we discussed about geometrical isomerism. Now optical isomerism in coordination compound. So conditions for that: coordination number should be 6, means 6 coordinate covalent bonds with metal. Shape octahedral. Minimum 1 polydentate ligand present. So it gives optical isomerism. In optical isomerism, molecular formula and structural formula both are same. But when we pass plane polarized light, so it deviates into right hand side or left hand side. If plane polarized light deviates on left hand side, so it should be LEO. Plane polarized light deviates on the right hand side, so it should be dextro. So formula, general formulas which gives optical isomerism. Which type of metal with AA thrice? Yes, what is AA? AA means didentate. Didentate ligand and symmetrical. Ethylene diamine is example. You can see didentate and symmetric. By both nitrogen atoms donate electron pair, so which is called symmetrical. Whenever structure is MAA3, so didentate ligand 1 forms 2 bonds, so 3 forms 6. Octahedral gives optical isomers. Another, suppose MAA 2 and A2 is given. Here also 2A type means a small a means monodentate, 2A didentate, so it makes 4. Here 2, total 6. It also gives optical isomerism. NA 1 didentate NAB. Sorry, 2 didentate and 2 different AB monodentate ligands are there, which also charge should be plus or minus n. Then NAA up NA type of 2 and B type of 2 also gives optical isomerism, where AA is symmetrical. Now another formulas which also gives this type of optical isomerism, where all the ligands are monodentate. Yes, exceptionally. A2, B2, C2 type of complex ribbon, which also gives optical isomerism. If all the 6 A, B, C, D and F are different and all the 6 are monodentate, which also gives optical isomerism. Now metal with AB thrice, this one also gives AB means didentate, but unsymmetric. I am giving the example glycine. In the glycine, NH2, CH2 and COO minus. One is nitrogen, one is oxygen. So two different atoms donating pair, didentate but non-symmetric, unsymmetric also gives optical isomerism. Now one by one we will discuss about it. First one, MAA3. Yes, MAA3 plus or minus N. Example of it, CrAn thrice. Here plus 3, 0, so here plus 3, otherwise 3 plus, both same. Ethylene diamond didentate, but charge is 0. So here one chromium is combining, you can see one En forms a 2 coordinate covalent bond. So 2 will be 4 and 3 will be 6. Here total 3 stereoisomers. Stereoisomers means both geometrical and optical both. One En is here, 2 and 3 is this one. When we take like this, 2 En is here and 1 En here. This one is actually meso. So meso are not optically active. Now on this square there should be 3 plus. Dotted line indicates mirror. So Cr plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can see 1 En comes here. 2 En are here and here. In the mirror image, left hand side should be on right hand side. And here right hand side, here on left hand side. Which gives one of them is dextro, one of them is levo. Yes, no any geometrical isomerism occurs here. Only optical. One is dextro, one is levo. Meso never optically active. Meso is never optically active. Now what about M AA twice A2, MAA twice A2, and charge is plus or minus N. Example of it, cobalt with 2 En and 2 chlorido. Here minus 2 plus 3, 0, so here is plus 1. There are 1 trans and cis, yes, A2B2, it gives cis trans, cobalt plus 3. 2 chloride close to each other, 2 En close to each other. So this one is a cis. What about trans? 2 chlorido are opposite to each other and 2 En also opposite to each other. So this one is a trans. So trans is not optically active. Remember, only cis is optically active. In the trans getting mirror image, 2 chlorido comes on left hand side, here is on right hand side. 2En comes on right hand side, here is in left hand side. So this is one of them is dextro and one of them is levo. Suppose this one is levo, then this one dextro. Like this, optical isomerism occurs here. Now, what about NAA to AB plus or minus N? M AA to AB means with metal 2 didentate and 2 monodentate. Total number of bonds are 6. An example for it, cobalt with En twice, NH3 and Cl, amine and chloride. Here charge is +2. So getting +2 here should be +3. Yes, this one also gives cis trans, one cis, one trans. On the basis of En, we can say here cobalt to En are close to each other. So obviously, which is cis. If two En are opposite to each other, like this. So this one is a trans. So trans is not optically active, but here our cis isomer is optically active. Suppose this one is dextro, then mirror image, which is called enantiomer. Here NH3 and chloride comes on left hand side, here on right hand side, 2En here on right hand side. Because of here it is in left hand side, so one of them is dextro, one of them is levo. This one also gives 2 optically isomers. Trans is not here optically active. Trans is optically inactive. Now, what about MAA A to B2? MAA to B2. An example for it, CrCl2. And A type of 2, B type of 2 and 1, so En support, En and NH3 twice. Here charge is +1, amine neutral, En neutral, -2 here +3. This one also gives 1 cis, 1 trans. Yes, on the basis of amine we can say Cr +3 is combining with 2 chloride close to each other. 1 En is here and 2 amine close to each other. So this is cis. Same type of ligand close to each other, so cis. Now on the square, don't make mistake, there should be plus charge, we have to not there. So here Cr +3, whenever two same type of ligand, 2 chloride and 2 amines are opposite to each other, and suppose En like this. So this one is trans. So trans is not optically active. Why trans? 2 amine, 2 chloride, En opposite to each other. Trans. Here mirror image of this one, cis gives enantiomer means mirror image. Here chlorido and amine. This chlorido and amine remain as it is. Now En on this side. So this one also gives optical isomerism, dextro and levo. Now remember, here trans same is not optically active. Now another case, all the 6 ligands are monodentate. So 2, 2, 2, A2, B2 and C2, which is optically active, yes. Due to structure which is also optically active, here all the 6 ligands are monodentate. A2, B2, C2. Example of it, platinum is combining with 2 pyridine, 2 amine and 2 chlorido. Charge is +2. Here -2, 0, 0. Here is +4. This one also gives 1 cis and 1 trans. How? With platinum +4, 2 pyridine are close to each other. 2 chlorido close to each other. 2 amine close to each other. So this one is a cis. And now this one also gives trans also. Suppose 2 chlorido are opposite to each other, 2 amines opposite to each other, and 2 pyridine are opposite to each other. So this is trans. So we know trans is not optically active. So only cis is optically active. Same kind of ligands are close to each other at 90 degree. And now mirror image of it. Pyridine, pyridine. Now 2 amine comes here. 2 chlorido here. So one of them is dextro, one of them is the levo. By nature. And when plane polarized light, we are passing throughout it. So one of them deviates light to the left hand side and one of them on right hand side. Now what about all these 6 ligands are monodentate. Now these 6 are different. We are going to it which is optically active. Exceptionally it is optically active. A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 monodentate ligands and all the 6 are different. So platinum with pyridine, then amine, nitro, chlorido, bromido, iodide, 1, 2, 3. Here total charge -1, 0, 0. Here is +4, so here will be 0. Square entity is neutral. We know geometrical isomerisms are 15. We will discuss in last lecture. P, Y opposite to amine like this. How many geometrical? This one optical isomer. Geometrical isomerism are 15. Out of 15, 3 we can obtain some. optically active, and that are platinum plus 4 with pyridine, bromine, iodine. Out of 15 geometrical isomers, 3 weakened forms, and it gives a mirror image of it. Suppose pyridine we take here for convenient ERBR plus 4, then chlorido, nitro, amine, and remaining iodo. Mirror image of it gives enantiomer, and which is optically active. Bromine, iodine remain same. Here NO2 and NH3 comes here. Here is pyridine and chlorido is here. One of them is dextran, one of them is a LiVo. Now mu, metal with Ab3 means unsymmetrical. Metal with Ab3, Ab3 here plus or minus N. Suppose chromium is combining with glycine. 3 glycine minus 3 here plus 3, entity neutral. AB means didentate but unsymmetric. Glycine means NH2, CH2 and COO minus. So one chromium, you can see 2 cis and 2 trans here occurs. How can 2 cis and 2 trans? And both are optically active. Two cis and 2 trans, and both are optically active. How can we say? You can see CH2O. Here is NH2 1, then NH2, CH2 COO minus, here is NH2, CH2 COO minus, NNO, ONO. 2 nitrogen are close, 2 oxygen are close, so cis. This one is the cis. Understood? So cis isomer gives mirror image. How to draw? This part comes here, NH2O, COO CH2, like this. This part comes here. Here O minus COO CH2 and NH2. This part NH2 CH2 COO minus. Yes, this is a cis. Why? 2 oxygen and 2 nitrogen close. Here N and O. A major part છે same થઈ જાય એટલે cis. What about trans? Here when we change, here is suppose C double. Here is NH2. O with N. O with N. This is trans. Due to structure in symmetric nature, which is also optically active. In this case, cis and trans both are optically active. In this case, both are optically active. Gives isomers. Now, hexadentate ligand. In the hexadentate ligand, CR-EDDM here -4 plus 3, so -1. Actually, structure of EDTA, everybody knows ethylene diamine tetraacetate. One ligand having capacity to form 6 coordinate covalent bonds. 4 of oxygen and 2 of nitrogen here. Hexadentate. So in the chromium plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here CH2, CH2 ethylene. 2 nitrogen diamine. CH2, COO minus. CH2, COO minus. Here CH2, COO minus. CH2, COO minus. One ligand forms 6 coordinate covalent bond. 2 of nitrogen and by 4 of oxygen atoms. You can see a mirror image of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. CH2, COO minus 10. CH2, COO minus. Now here CH2, COO minus, then CH2, COO minus, like this. Very complex occurs. One of them is dextro. Suppose this one LEO, then this one dextro. It gives mirror image of each other and solves optical isomerism. When we pass the plane polarized light throughout it, so one of them deviates light on left hand side or right hand side. But which side which deviates light we can't say. We only decide by using polarimeter. Otherwise we can't say deviation of the light. We can only assuming that one of them should be dextro, then another should be LEO. But which one is dextro, which one LEO, we can't say. But mirror image of each other, which is called enantiomer. Otherwise mirror image, optical isomers D and L. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.